Excuse me! I have some items I'd like to sell.
Hey, Makoto? What is it that you're selling?
Just a few monsters my familiar hunted.
Interesting. I'd like to observe if that's all right with you. I'm curious about what it hunts.
Well, I guess. Yeah, okay. You know, these guys are all right. And up next, we've got a rock bird. They taste like free-range chicken.
Free-range chicken?
Indeed, and as good as they were in karaage, they're delicious in teriyaki as well.
And that just leaves... This should never see the light of day again. That just leaves nothing.
What a collection. So many awesome monsters all in the same place.
I've never seen a red serpent in my entire life.